Hello, Professor. My name is Chen Jian. This is my assignment 2 video presentation. Executive summary, including the challenges I encountered when developing Assignment 1, what I learned through developing Assignment 1, and my later career development. The challenges during the development. This page explains the main challenges I encountered when developing Assignment 1, and I choose to express them through this logic tree. There are three main challenges in this logic tree. The first one is challenger of literature review and information filtering. During the development of Business Insights project report, I faced the challenger of reviewing a vast amount of literature. As the project topic involved multiple interdisciplinary areas, I spent a significant amount of time searching for relevant materials in databases and academic platforms. Second, time pressure from handling multiple tasks concurrently. As a working student, I faced the challenge of managing multiple courses simultaneously. The timeline for the Business Insights project overlapped with assignments from other courses, requiring me to allocate my time and urging efficiently within a limited time frame to ensure the quality of learning in each course. I had to sacrifice rest time and strive to improve my learning efficiency. However, this prolonged period of high-intensity learning still brought me considerable pressure, which affected my innovative thinking and in-depth reflection in the project. Third, dilemma and optimization of research method selection. At the beginning of the report, I faced the challenge of choosing a suitable research method. Since the research question involved complex business phenomena, there were numerous research methods and modules to choose from, such as quantitative analysis, quantitative research, case studies, to select the most appropriate research method. I spent a significant amount of time learning and comparing the advantages and disadvantages of different methods and trying to apply them to my research question. My solutions for those challenges. In this page, I will explain how I faced and solved those challenges through deductive logic trees. I began use literature management tool, the Zotero, which helped me effectively organize and categorize the literature I found. I actively consulted with my supervisor, seeking his advice on literature search strategies. At the same time, I made full use of libraries resources to copy with the time pressure from multiple tasks. I developed a detailed time plan, precisely dividing my weekly time and setting clear deadlines for each task. Additionally, I reserved buffer time to deal with unexpected situations. I used the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize all tasks, focusing on important and urgent tasks first, and avoiding wasting time on secondary matters. I consulted with my supervisor, seeking, seeking his advice on research method selection based on my research question and data solution and data situation. He provided many valuable options that helped me finally determine the research method. Through, Throughout the research process, I continuously reflected on the applicability of research method and made adjustments based on the actual situation, what I learned, and the challenges of the future. By developing Assignment 1, I have learned a lot, such as: first, even global brands need clear local positioning. Second, it is not enough for foreign brands to merely copy their products. The innovation is the key. Third, markets are dynamic and require constant monitoring. If similar challenges come to me again, such as Luckin Coffee, I would suggest that Luckin Coffee strengthens its data-driven operation model, fully leverage its digital advantages, and further enhance the level of technological empowerment, cultivate low-level markets, and continue to strengthen community connections. 6 module learn outcomes. For Module 1, I used SMART goals to analyze the market situation of Starbucks in China. For Module 2, I made a logic tree to analyze the business problems of Starbucks. For Module 3, I used the priority matrix and analysis to screen out the strategy with the highest priority. For Module 4, I analyzed 3 priority solution paths using work plan. For Module 5, I used comparative analysis, the 80-20 rule, and the Ansoff matrix to analyze and solve the business problems of Starbucks. For Module 6, I used the optimization pyramid to explain why Starbucks was able to solve those business problems. By developing Assignment 1, I have enhanced my strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities, improved my communication and expression, as well as my independent learning and self-management capabilities. Well, the Building Business Insights module provided me with valuable experience in business analysis. It did not fully meet my future career development needs in certain areas. To better achieve my career goals, I plan to pursue further learning and development in the following aspects: learn Python, machine learning and deep learning, take elective courses in the financial industry. Conclusion: through the process of developing Assignment 1, I have learned a lot and also have have a direction for the future. Thank you.